Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the JSS Angular introduction. So to bring it back to what we've done so far, we've created a new route. We've populated that route with this content block and added some of our own content into it. We then slowly built out the page by just adding more content blocks and stacking them. Okay, at this point, this is what the website looks like. Pretty simple, pretty cool. Now let's look a little bit under the hood. Now is where being an Angular developer actually becomes relevant. To preface everything, I want to say that JSS was created by Sitecore to support Sitecore functionality, right? JSS's main job is to ingest Sitecore content via the API and allow Angular or React or Vue to control the information's presentation. Sitecore backend wants to be agnostic of the latest and greatest framework. So we'll be using Angular components, but we won't necessarily be utilizing a lot of the advanced Angular techniques. Okay, so great, we have all this information here. We can finally dive into the source folder, app folder, go into the components, and find our trusty old content block here. Let's open up this component, and we'll notice that we've got this input tag here. And this is the information coming through. So let's go ahead and just inspect what is in there. Okay, open this up and open up and inspect. Here we'll see that rendering fires off 3 separate times, and that's because the same component has been fired off 3 separate times. If we open it up, we'll find a JSON object that lists some basic information, specifically content, the component name, and most importantly, the fields. Here we'll start to see how the data is coming through. And I think is what really ties it all together, right? It's now we can see the flow from YAML file initializing a Sitecore component and having that information flow into an Angular component where it is taken from the component file, set to a variable, and then bound to the front end via these tags. And we can go a little deeper here and see these Angular tags that are custom made from Sitecore. We've got SC text and SC rich text to support the common field type that is being supported here. And so I think that right there is a really quick, fast, simple introduction into how JSS works and specifically Angular JSS. Thanks.